Methods of marking and calculation of 4 into 100 meter relay takeover zone of 400 meter standard track. Total distance of the curve is 231.22 meter. Lane width is 1.22 meter. First takeover zone of this relay is at 100 meter away from the starting point. So, measure 15.61 meter backward direction from the end of the first curve. No need to measure 100 meter from the starting point. Hold a plastic thread from the center of the semicircle through the 100 meter point as shown in this video. This line is known as scratch line. Measure 10 meter to forward direction from the scratch line. It should be 30 centimeter away from the border because the running distance radius of lane number 1 is 30 centimeter away from the border. But in all other lanes, it is only 20 centimeter away from the respective inner lanes. Hold a plastic thread from the center of the semicircle through the end of 10 meter point and draw the end stagger of the first button exchange zone of lane number 1. Measure 20 meter backward direction from the scratch line. Hold a plastic thread through the end of 20 meter point. Draw the other stagger of first exchange zone of lane number 1. This is the 30 meter button exchange zone of lane number 1. The athletes can exchange the relay baton between these two staggers. You should know a formula for calculating other baton exchange zones up to 8th lane. T minus D into 7.04 full stagger divided by T. This is the formula. T is total distance of the curve, that is 231.22 meter. D is distance covered in the curve, that is 100 meter, 115.61 meter and 215.61 meter. Firstly, we are going to do a manual calculation. As per the above formula, we can write 231.22 minus 100 into 7.04 divided by 231.22 meter. When we calculate this, we will get 4 meter. Take this 4 meter to second lane. And draw 4 meter to forward direction from the scratch line. Again measure 10 meter to forward direction from the end of 4 meter distance. Hold a plastic thread from the center of the semicircle through the end of 10 meter point. Draw an end stagger of first exchange zone of lane number 2. Again measure 20 meter backward direction from the beginning point of 10 meter. Hold a plastic thread from the center of the semicircle through the end of 20 meter point. Draw the another stagger of first button exchange zone of lane number 2. Next is computerized calculation of 4 into 100 meter relay takeover zone. Here you can see the lane numbers from 1 to 8. The next column for full staggers. You are seeing in this column is the full stagger of every lanes. Next column for first takeover zone. Next column for second takeover zone. And next column for third takeover zone. In first takeover zone, the distance in the curve is 100 meter. In second takeover zone, the distance in curve is 115.61 meter. And in the third takeover zone, the distance in curve is 215.61 meter. In lane number 1, everything is 0. Use an Excel sheet for computerized calculation. This formula for computerized calculation. At the extreme below of this screen, you can see the formula of manual calculation. This 7.04 is the full stagger. But instead of this 7.04, it is shown as B3 in the computer formula. That is the cell address of where the 7.04 is located. Press enter key. In manual calculation, the answer was 4 meter. The same 4 meter we got in computerized calculation also. Drag it downward. These are the stagger distance of first takeover zone of 4 into 100 meter relay. Marking of the baton exchange zone in 3 takeover zones of 4 into 100 meter relay is a repetition. Hence, the animation of further marking is shown here without more explanation. Take this 8.35 meter to third lane. First baton exchange zone of third lane is also completed. Next is fourth lane. Take this 12.70 to fourth lane. First baton exchange zone of fourth lane is also completed. This formula for second takeover zone. Press enter key. Drag it downward. These are the stagger distance of second takeover zone of 4 into 100 meter relay, and these are the half stagger distance of 200 meter competition also. This formula for third takeover zone. Press enter key. Drag it downward. These are the stagger distance of third and last takeover zone of 4 into 100 meter relay. 4 into 100 meter relay has 3 takeover zones. But in this video, I have explained about 4 pattern exchange zones of first takeover zone only, because the remaining marking of all takeover zones and all pattern exchange zones will be a repetition of what we have done already. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.